Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sean here. So today we are going to start the tutorial about Streamlit in Python. So in this tutorial we learn about Streamlit. Okay, we try to learn how to build any website by using Streamlit, and we will learn about this component, how we can create them. So this will be a very practical tutorial. Okay, so a part of this we will be creating some projects also by using Streamlit itself. Like for example, this one is the first one of the project that we will create. Okay, it's kind of a portfolio by using Streamlit, so this way you can have more practical by using Streamlit itself. And a part of this project, okay, we are going to use to create another one, which is task management portal. So working with this task management portal is very good way also, so that you can get better by using Streamlit also, to be more familiar with it. Like this management portal is very good. Okay, so it's very useful. So we try to put in practice everything that we learn about the Streamlit. So as you can see, there is a kind of a graph, okay, which shows which task is completed and pending. So you have option here, okay, to choose if a task is pending or not. So it's very simple app, so that you can get more familiar with Streamlit. And a part of this, okay, we are going to create also a professional consultation form, which is this one. It's like a simple form, okay, where you can like schedule some appointment. Okay, when you schedule an appointment, it will show here itself. Okay, for example, if I enter my name like Joao, okay, and here email, okay, let's say something like joao@gmail.com, at gmail, I think I wrote it wrong, okay, at gmail.com. And the phone number, okay, let's say one blah blah, any random number. Date, so I can click here and choose any date, for example 4th. And description, so let's say blah 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 blah. Then I just click here and schedule. So boom, it will schedule the task, the thing. Okay, oh, I forget, so it's not showing because actually right now the one that is running is the task management portal. So it's just about for me to come here, okay, come on top and close this guy. So let me go cd dot go back and cd again, formulario, okay, cd. Then let's run that up so that we can see the form up. Boom, perfect. Okay, so this is it. So this is the one that professional schedule. Okay, so let's try to do the thing again. Okay, so let's say name, okay, let's say Joao, email, let's say joao@gmail.com. And if we come phone number, let's say 123, okay, just a random number. Here we can choose any day. And description, let's give any kind of description. So if I click on schedule, boom, is going to schedule here, so that you can see, okay, the scheduled appointment, which is this one, Joao, blah blah blah, and description will be here. So even here we can come here and choose, like, if you want to delete any appointment that we made. So we can come here, click here, and boom, we can delete the appointments. Boom, the appointment will disappear. Okay, so those 3 apps will be enough for us to get more familiar with Streamlit. Okay, so before we start, first let's understand what is Streamlit. Okay, see, before you understand the reason why we need to learn Streamlit, is like, okay, the field of data science and analytics is rapidly growing, so everyone knows that. And one of the most important steps in the data science pipeline right now is model deployment. So in Python, as we know, okay, the frameworks like Flask and Django are commonly used for this purpose. But however, this option often require like extra knowledge, like technology like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, which can be sometimes harder for data scientists and machine learning engineers, okay, who prefer to focus more on working with data and models than working on front-end technology. So to address this issue, okay, that's how Streamlit came on. Okay, so Streamlit is a free and open source framework designed to enable the quick and easy creation of impressive web application, okay, for data scientists and machine learning. So it was developed especially for people, okay, who are engineering, and for those also work on data science fields, so who often lack of experience for interesting in web development. So with Streamlit, okay, you can build really beautiful and functional application by just using some few lines of Python code. So this practically, okay, Streamlit practically, it will eliminate the need for weeks of study, okay, like a time that you will spend like just studying those front-end technology, okay. And these things, okay, and Streamlit practically it allows developers to focus more on what really matters, which is the data and the models. So why you should learn Streamlit? See, Streamlit, it's easy to use, okay? So you don't need any knowledge like HTML, CSS, or even JavaScript. So with Streamlit, you can rapidly develop web applications, and you can integrate it with most of Python libraries easily by using Streamlit. So that's why in this tutorial, okay, we are going to focus to understand very well Streamlit, how we can use it, okay, how we can take profit of it. So that's why those 3 projects, okay, will be working for you, okay, will be good for you. So we will create a portfolio project, and we will create a task management portal, and in the end we will create this consultation form, okay. So how we can use Streamlit? See, this is the website of Streamlit, okay. So this is you can have a lot of information from here, okay. You can see some things that was built by using Streamlit, and you can also follow the documentation, okay. But sometimes we know that the documentation sometimes is very difficult to understand, so that's why we are trying to resume it in very easy way so that you can understand how to use Streamlit, okay. So the first step that we can do is to install Streamlit. How to install Streamlit? To install Streamlit is very easy, as we can see, okay. Just enter pip install Streamlit. So let's start like this with this one. So for that, let's come here in our text editor. So you can choose any text editor that you wish to use, okay. So now let's start the tutorial, okay. So I'm just going to come here, cd back. So let me clear this, okay, clear. So the first thing that you will need to do is to install Streamlit in your environment. So here to install this Streamlit is very easy, okay. You just enter this command pip install Streamlit, then hit enter. It will install Streamlit in your application, okay. But since I have Streamlit installed on my computer, I'm not going to install it anymore because my internet right now is very slow, okay. So I don't want it to take long time just for installation, okay. Now let's suppose now you have Streamlit installed on your machine, okay. So after that, you need to create any script, okay. I just create one script like main.py, okay. You can give any name that you wish. So in order to start with Streamlit, for you to check if your app is really working or not is very easy, okay. Just do something like that: import Streamlit as st, okay. Let's import Streamlit as st, save. Then the next thing that you need to do is just to run this script, okay. So for you to run this script, you need to do something like this, okay. Come in your terminal and do something like this, okay. So in order to run any Streamlit application in Python, you need to do something like this, okay. You need to call Streamlit run. Then after this, you need to give the name of the script that you are running this Streamlit. So for us, we are using this main.py, so that's why I'm going to call it main.py. But never forget, okay, you need to be in the same directory where the script is, okay. So that's why I have Streamlit run main.py, okay. I am inside of this folder called Python Streamlit. Then I just need to give enter, and as you can see, it open here, okay. This is the Streamlit that we are going to work on. So let me close this guys since we don't need them anymore. Now let's focus on here, okay. So in this tutorial we are going to stop here. So in the next tutorial we are going to try to understand properly how we can create components in Python Streamlit. My name is João. Please subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video if you like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.